Step 1. Get the prompt. I've already prepared both the image prompt and video prompt for you on my website. Just check the link in the description. You'll also find a screenshot from the original video, and this is important because later we're going to replace Cristiano Ronaldo's character with you or anyone you want. Step 2. Generate the image. Now it's time to create your Lego version. First, head over to my website and copy the image prompt. Before you use it, you can tweak the jersey country to match your favorite team, maybe Brazil, Argentina, or any country you like. After that, go to InVideo using the link in the description, then open the image generation feature and choose the Nano Banana Pro model, although you can experiment with other models if you want. Create a new project and give it any name you like. Then switch your browser to desktop mode so all features are visible. Next, upload the screenshot you downloaded from my website, and then upload your selfie or anyone else's photo you want to use. Once that's done, paste the prompt into the prompt box. Set your resolution. 2K is a good choice, but you can go all the way up to 4K. And make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16. Finally, click Generate and wait a few seconds. And just like that, your Lego character is ready. Go ahead and download it because we'll need it for the next step. Now, let's bring your Lego character to life. Start by copying the video prompt from my website. Then go back to InVideo, but this time switch to the video generation feature. Choose the VO 3.1 fast model and make sure you're using frames mode, although again, you can try other models if you prefer. Upload the image you generated earlier, then paste the video prompt into the prompt box. After that, set your video resolution. 1080p is already great, but if you want higher quality, you can go for 4K. And keep the aspect ratio at 9:16. Once everything is set, click Generate and wait a few minutes. And that's it. Your very own Lego World Cup video is done and ready to share. So go try it right now, and don't forget to drop your result in the comments. I'm curious to see your Lego version.